Hi and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back once again to Technology Information channel. Today we are going to explain the Cummins EFC controller. This controller is working for the generator to control the generator speed RPM and engine actuation systems and idle speed and run speed and also gain and drop setting. Before the starting video, I have a small request to all of you. If you are first time on my channel, please make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification to getting more latest update videos. So let's get started. This is the EFC controller wiring and potentiometer adjustment and wiring diagram and wiring connection. First of all, we are going to explain the wiring diagram of this EFC controller. As you can see here, 1 2 3 4 5, there is a terminal connection for the this controller. For this controller, for wake up and turning on this controller, you need to put battery negative and battery positive. First of all battery positive, then battery negative, or 12 volt or 24 volt DC. It is very important. If you are controlling this with the help of relay, it is better. And relay and fuse, okay, because it is the pro protection of this controller. Okay. Next, 3 and 4, it is the actuator output. Actuator is mounted on a fuel pump that actuate the fuel system. This is the output terminal. This 3 and 4 have no polarity, no negative positive. You can connect, take two wire, one from 3 one from 4, and directly goes to the put an actuator. Okay, after that you can see here 656. This is the MPU input. MPU means magnetic pickup unit. Take from two wire from MPU and connect here. After that 7 8 9, this is the RMT switch, RMT controller. You can connect, you can control your engine speed RPM through the potentiometer through remotely. Okay, and also you can control here from here idle speed and run speed. Okay, as you can see here, this 9 numbers and 7 8 and 9. Okay, this is, if this is normally closed, that's mean your engine is running in a idle speed. After that, that's connection is open and contact with the this one. This circuit you will made itself with the relay control system, with the NCNO switch or with the toggle switches. Okay, after that, when this terminal 10 number terminal is connected with the 7, the engine is goes to the rated RPM. Okay, and our last one is 11. This is the common point. Okay, now here is a one terminal, two terminal A and B. What is the purpose of this? This A and B for the, if your generator is a double bearing coupler or local couple, a lot of vibration, a lot of excessive vibration in your engine, you need to jump this 2 point A and B. Okay, because your engine have a lot of vibration or poor type of coupling, your generator uh, speed dropping and also the frequency is dropping. That's need you jumped this A and B. Okay, if your generator is a smooth and single bearing couple, you not need to jump. Open, keep open this two terminal. Okay, here is a one potentiometer is for idle speed. You can set your idle speed from here. For example, you want to I operate my engine in 1000 rpm. You start your generator and take a small flat head screwdriver and counterclockwise rotate this. This will goes your engine to idling low speed. Okay, which point is your peripheral you can leave here. After that has a run speed. Run speed is that's mean rated rpm. Okay, rated rpm sometime 1800, sometime 1500, but it is your per required. Okay, you can set here the rated or run speed from this potentiometer. Gain. Gain means the gain is a one turn potentiometer. It is used to adjust the sensitivity of the governor. If sometime your generator with the no load hunting and fluctuation and engine goes high and low, goes high and low, you need to uh, adjust this gain voltage when tilt to stable your engine. After that, the drop setting is used for to this is the one turn potential. This is the 0 to 5 turn potentiometer. Okay. This is for the isochronization. Okay, for the stability of the engine. Okay. This is the complete video about the EFC controller and complete wiring diagram. So I hopefully understand. Thanks for watching my video. See you all next time and goodbye.